A dozen man enters the room. Me start beg and bawl. Instantly, me shit up myself. So you know the room start stink up. And the man them kick me.
Watch me act stupid. Down, this gonna go down. This freaking vibe is so nice. Gonna drink.
What's up, my peeps? Welcome back to my channel. As always, I really appreciate you guys tuning in. And today I'm gonna continue with the Dem Gela Wicked story. However, this is not a cheating story. This is even more serious than a female cheating on you. This one could have cost the young man his life. It seems as if he was either set up or persons from the female community that he visited was watching him and the female. However, since you're here right now, please do me a favor. Like the video, share the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Now let's get into the story. Let me also remind you that the story is written in Patois, so I'll be reading in Patois. Wicked girl story, and this changed my life. So me meet a girl back then on High Five. Yo, you know this was a long time ago. High Five still exists? I doubt it. And me decide to link her at her place. Be sexy and thing. And a month me a try. So she say, come check her. Man wake from early and check her. She said, take a upper yard taxi. And when me reach town and tell the driver me a come off a black gate. So me reach and she walk me in like a lane. And me reach, I guess he mean to say, as me reach her house, and she not even wait, she start kiss, and me start rub down her pums, and hard F me start beat on her. You know, say as some man me say a circle her house in the yard, and me not even think nothing of it. Me still a beat it up. Me hear a voice say, don't move. And me look around, is a long tall up in a me face, and around a dozen man enters the room. Me start beg and bawl. Instantly, me shit up myself. So you know the room start stink up, and the man them kick me. So me drop, and them kick me and beat me, throw me in a car trunk, and when the car stop, I out a dumble holding, me wake up and fan down a car, and me never go station. Me just call my family and them pick me up a spot, and me give the brother him phone and just count my blessings when my family come, because I was to be a dead man. From that, me never visit a woman place. Girl wicked. Yo, this story, as I tell you, it's serious. So many life lessons can be taught, and I am assuming, well, so many life lessons was learned by this young man, and we can use his mistakes, we can use his experience, to guide us. As I've been saying in my previous videos, never you visit a woman place, especially the first time you guys gonna meet up. Meet at a neutral location, because the woman might scared to come at your place the first time as well. You understand? But my take from this is either she set him up, he looked that way, or she live in an area where her house is being watched, or the guys in just probably saw she bringing in her boyfriend and just decide, so yo, them gonna hold him up. You understand? But from how he's telling the story, it just seemed like say she's in it. But we have cases where you go check a girl in our lane, upon our, not really scheme, but it could be scheme wherever, and they have persons who is always there, I watch people place and just decide, say yo, they gonna rob whoever, whenever. It could be a case like that. But we don't know, but all me know, me happy this young man life was spared. As a man say, in counting his blessings. Man not even say in counting his losses. Count his blessings because it could have been a lot worse. So gents, you have to beat up a VG, meet at a mutual location, a sweatshop, a local motel, a local hotel, or bring her to your place if she feel comfortable with you, but do not go to her place. Your story might not end as his story did. So protect yourself. Women, protect yourself as well. First time meeting up with a guy, make sure persons know who he is and where you're going, all of that stuff. So until next time, stay safe. Please like, share, comment, subscribe.
Watch me act stupid. So, down, this gonna go down, down. This freaking vibe is so nice. Gonna drink.